of qualified lawyers, but we also need to do, training and public-facing training where we say this is what it means to go into court and do maximum damage to Zionism. But ultimately, the terrain is shifting under the feet of everyone. And the time is now to go on the offensive, in my opinion. And that means not just defending yourself against cases, but finding vulnerable targets and suing them, bringing proactive legal action against them. I can't stress enough, it needs to be that you have a prior political strategy and you subordinate any such legal tactics to that prior strategy. But once you've duly put in place that strategy, my main message is go into court and consciously cause maximum damage to Zionism. Just, if nothing else, go into court and try to find a way of saying that your purpose in being there, your client's purpose in being there, is to do maximum damage to the fascist ideology of Zionism. And in a country like Britain, a country like the United States, a country like Germany, that includes going in and without moralism, without too much kind of passion, because in Britain, the courts frown on being too animated in court. You're supposed to sound like you're sort of bored by what you're saying, but you can just go in and say, the British state is responsible for this genocide. It is actively participating in this genocide. The British state has lost all moral and political legitimacy because it is currently engaged in the mass murder of Palestinians because they are not Jewish and as such viewed as a racial threat to the British colonial project of creating a little loyal Jewish Ulster. So at the risk of sounding like a broken record, just escalate, do it urgently, do it collectively. And if you're a qualified lawyer, go into court, tell the court that that's what you're doing, and consciously cause as much damage as you can to the fascist ideology of Zionism.